common question is, what kind of time frame are you looking at to do a pouch size changeover? Is it easy? Is it complex? Are a lot of format parts involved? How quickly can a pouch size change or style be achieved?
Changeover is typically, we quote 15 minutes. General changeovers, usually 5 minutes or less, to be honest. I mean, if we're going from a pouch like this to a pouch like this, that might take you 10 minutes to change it over, just because you've got a lot more things to adjust. It is all toolless changeover, and there are no format parts other than you could have to change a fill funnel from this size to this size. Other than that, everything is quick change on the machine.
Excellent. So I also noticed that there's a lot of digital indicators as you go around the machine. Tell us a little bit about their function, how they work, and then also what you can do with them as far as recipes and that go.
Yes. So every station, it has an adjustment for different size ranges of the pouches. There's a digital indicator. Once you figure out what is the best setting for that pouch, then you would store all that information into the touchscreen in a recipe, so that from that point on, every time you go to run that pouch, you choose a recipe off of the touchscreen, and it will give you all the information that you need as far as speeds, gripper widths, your temperatures, and all of your settings for all of your dial indicators. That way, every recipe, every time you run that pouch, repeatability is the key issue there. It's going to be the same every time.